Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This video is on nose blowing and what you can do to help your child better master this skill. This is one video in a series of videos, so please take a look through the video library to see what strategy might work for you. Now, an interesting thing about nose blowing is the fact that you need to keep your mouth closed in order for nose blowing to be effective. If your child is struggling with the lip closure component of nose blowing, you can try to help them keep their lips closed by giving them a small stimulus item. For example, you can take a thin stick of gum and you can put it between their lips and have them close their mouth to try to hold it there. So that way they understand how to keep the mouth closed. And of course, the gum can be used as a fun reward afterwards, as long as you are supervising the gum chewing. You can also use a popsicle stick, because this also will help the child have just a stimulus item to have between the lips so that they're aware that they need to keep the lips closed. So it's just a fun little trick that some kids respond to. You can certainly give it a try if lip closure is a very challenging part of the nose blowing for your child.